Question 1. What is GitHub? Answer. GitHub is industry standard version control and publishing platform for web developers. GitHub is the place where developers store the code. It is the best place to share code with friends, coworkers, classmates, and total strangers. For understanding GitHub, we should understand about Git. Git is version control system, which means that whenever the developer creates something and make changes to the code or release new versions, anyone can keep track of all the modifications in a central repository. Question 2. How does GitHub help in collaborating with other developers? Answer. Whenever any programmer uploads their code to Git, other developers can access and edit it, isolated from each other and with all versions kept intact. Git takes away any confusion with having multiple people working on the same file at the same time. There are no chances of your hard work. Question 3. How to use GitHub? Answer. The use of GitHub can be explained in the following steps. Install Git and create a GitHub account. Create a local Git repository. Add a new file to the repo. Add a file to the staging environment. Create a commit. Create a new branch. Question 4. What is GitHub link? Answer. GitHub is a web-based Git or version control repository on the internet with a hosting service. It offers the distributed version control and source code management (SCM) functionality of Git as well as adding its own new features. Question 5. Is GitHub open source software? Answer. GitHub is not open source software because they have a commercial offer based known as GitHub for Enterprise. Nevertheless, anyone can apply their ideas just like open source software on GitHub look-alike, known as GitLab, which is a Ruby application with its source code here. Question 6. What is a branch on GitHub? Answer. Branch in Git means a lightweight movable pointer to one of these commits. The default branch name in Git is the master. As we initially make commits, we are given a master branch that points to the last commit being made. Every time we commit, it moves forward automatically. Question 7. What is a git pull? Answer. Git pull is shorthand for git fetch, followed by git merge. More specifically, git pull runs git fetch with the given parameters and calls git merge to merge the retrieved branch heads into the current branch. Should be the name of a remote repository as forwarded to git fetch. Question 8. What is a git pull request? Answer. Pull requests let us inform others about the changes that have been pushed to a GitHub repository. Once a pull request is sent, interested developers can review the set of changes, discuss potential modifications, and even push follow-up commits if necessary. Question 10. What is repo? Answer. GitHub users shorten this to repo. It can be local to a folder on the computer, or it can be a storage space on GitHub or another online host. We can keep code files, text files, image files, or name it, inside a repository. Question 11. How can we create a branch in GitHub? Answer. GitHub has a simple UI for creating branches. Once opened the branch drop-down and it prompts, find or create a branch. We need to type the name of your new branch, then click the Create button that appears. For retrieving the new branch from GitHub, we can use the standard git fetch command. Question 12. What is a GitHub fork? Answer. Fork is a copy of a repository. Forking a repository allows us to freely experiment with the changes without affecting the original project. Most commonly, forks are used to propose changes to someone else's project or to use someone else's project as a starting point of our own idea. Question 13. Can we change our GitHub username? Answer. We can change our GitHub account name at any time. For this, we need to click the profile picture greater than settings, account settings, change username. Links to the repositories will redirect to the new URLs, but they should be updated on all other sites because someone who chooses the abandoned username can override the links.